By now, you know that through our tax reclaim service, we are helping people just like you reclaim tax money that's rightfully theirs. Our unique personal tax reviews analyze every details from the past 10 years that could result in a tax refund from several hundred to many thousands of dollars for you and your family. But did you know that we could also help groups recover similar tax refunds? That's right! Imagine the difference you could make in the lives of your employees, members, or clients by having our tax reclaim service uncover several hundred to many thousands of dollars they didn't even know they were entitled to. We work with employers, unions, associations, financial advisors, financial service providers, government employees, charities, and more. Our tax reclaim service succeeds in finding refunds for over 60% of Canadian families, making a positive difference in their lives. There's no cost to you, and if no refund is received, there is no cost to your employees, membership, or clients. We only get paid if they get paid. All of our tax specialists have CRA rep IDs and are governed by strict confidentiality rules. Your privacy is completely assured. What could your people do with several hundreds or even many thousands of dollars they may receive from an unexpected refund? Buy a home, pay for their children's education, care for an elderly relative, take a vacation, invest for retirement, or treat themselves to something nice? Wouldn't you like to make what could be a significant difference in the lives of your employees, members, or clients? Contact us today and let's find their money.